Why is forgiveness and restoration better than revenge and punishment? Here's my answer. When a person takes revenge on another person, he or she is more concerned with being compensated than the well-being of the other individual, as well as restoration of his or her moral uprightness. The avenger feels good when the quest for revenge is successful for a moment, but then that comes back to torment him or her greatly, and may catch a thought that he or she is not no better than the other person who's the object of that retribution. The person at the receiving end of vengeance will likely not genuinely be remorseful of his or her wicked deed, but will instead justify it. In addition, the person would want to be as far away from the other person as possible to avoid his or her harsh retribution or wrath, and probably not have any inclination for reconciliation. Even when the avenger kills the other person, others would take his or her place and try to take revenge on the avenger. Hence, the cycle of violent conflict does not end. By contrast, forgiveness lifts the heavy burden of anger and desire for retribution off the shoulders of the individual, who in turn views his or her offender as a fundamentally good person who needs to improve his or her moral standing. Moreover, forgiveness demonstrates that the forgiver is in the right, while the one who is being forgiven recognizes that he or she is wrong and expresses regret and remorse over the bad deed. Forgiveness and reconciliation between the victim and offender helps break the curse or cycle of violent conflict, and, and therefore peace and love reigns. My name is Ryan Quick. Thank you for watching.